Join me as I take on the challenge of getting my hands on the brand new 2025 Yamaha SR400 and see if it lives up to the hype. The Yamaha SR400 is back, folks. After years of anticipation, the iconic bike is making its grand return in 2025, and for many in the motorcycle community, this is a dream come true. What makes the State Route 400 so special is its rich history, its simplicity, and its ability to connect with riders on a deeper level. Yamaha's decision to revive the State Route 400 wasn't an easy one, considering the intense competition in today's market. The company had to weigh the pros and cons, assessing whether the bike's nostalgic appeal would be enough to draw in modern riders. Furthermore, Yamaha had to consider the shifting consumer expectations, with many riders demanding more power, advanced technology, and sleeker designs. Bringing the State Route 400 back meant finding a delicate balance between staying true to its heritage and catering to contemporary tastes. Additionally, Yamaha had to navigate the challenges of meeting modern safety and emissions standards, all while maintaining the bike's character. This was a daunting task, as the SR400's appeal lies in its raw, unfiltered riding experience. The company had to walk a thin line between preserving the bike's essence and complying with the latest regulations. Moreover, Yamaha had to contend with rising production costs, which could have ultimately priced the State Route 400 out of its target market. The company needed to find a way to keep costs down without compromising on quality, a feat that required careful planning and strategic decision-making. In spite of these obstacles, Yamaha persevered, driven by its passion for creating exceptional motorcycles. And judging by the 2025 SR400, it's clear that the hard work paid off. The new SR400 boasts a stunning design that effortlessly blends retro charm with modern flair. The sleek fuel tank, the curved lines, and the subtle chrome accents all come together to create a truly head-turning bike. Under the hood, the State Route 400 packs a punch with its 399cc single-cylinder engine, producing a respectable 29 horsepower and 23.6 Nm of torque. One of the most exciting updates is the incorporation of advanced technology, such as ABS and traction control, which provide an added layer of safety without sacrificing the bike's raw character. The State Route 400 also features a new digital instrument cluster, offering a range of useful information without cluttering the cockpit. Furthermore, the 2025 State Route 400 benefits from a revised suspension system, which provides a more comfortable ride while maintaining the bike's agility and responsiveness. Yamaha has also expanded the bike's color palette, offering a range of bold, eye-catching hues that are sure to appeal to a wider audience. But the most thrilling aspect of the new SR400 has to be its limited edition, heritage, model, which pays homage to the bike's rich history. This special edition boasts unique styling cues, including a gorgeous two-tone paint scheme and bespoke badges, making it a must-have for serious collectors and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Yamaha SR400's return in 2025 is a testament to the company's commitment to creating exceptional motorcycles that resonate with riders from all walks of life. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a new rider, the State Route 400 has something to offer, and we can't wait to see how it fares on the roads. What are your thoughts on the new SR400? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other motorcycle-related videos for more in-depth reviews and insights.